Hi guys, welcome to the first part of the Chapter IT bite-sized e-learning sessions on YouTube. A big question I'm always asked is, how do I save documents to my smartphone? Now there are a few ways you can do this, but I think the more efficient way of doing it is by using the cloud. So my first session is going to be based on using and saving to the cloud. Okay, so let's get on with it. Okay guys, what we're going to be talking about today is the cloud and understanding what the cloud is. Now, using the cloud, okay, we need to understand what it is first, right? Okay, so instead of storing your information to your computer's hard drive or other local storage device, you save it to a remote database. Now, what a remote database is it's somewhere where you can save your information or your data, which is not actually physically with you, so it's actually stored somewhere else. Okay, now the internet provides the connection between your computer and the database. So if you look at this picture here, you can see all these devices. Okay, there's a tablet, there's a smartphone there's a laptop and a desktop, and this thing here is, well, it obviously looks like a cloud, but what we're doing is we're saving the information away from your device. Okay, so we're saving your information on the internet, if you like. Okay, now all this information is stored in something called a data farm. Okay, and you'll see here is a picture of a data farm, and basically it's just a huge building full of these big servers. Okay, now the good thing about using the cloud, okay, is that if something happens to your device, okay, your information would not be lost because it would be stored on the cloud. So if you were to get another device, then you could just take the information back if needed. Okay, now there are many cloud providers. All right, many cloud providers are attached to your email accounts as part of an application menu. So if you have a Gmail account or you have a Outlook account, then you will already have a cloud feature on your email, so you'll be able to use that straight away without having to sign in. As long as you sign into your email, you will be fine. Okay, so here we got OneDrive, which is attached to Outlook. This one here is Google Drive, which is attached to Gmail, and this one here, Dropbox. Okay, this is an independent list. Now, some email addresses, if you're using Yahoo or something like that, they don't come with cloud storage, so you may need to use Dropbox to save your information. It does exactly the same thing as these two, okay, but it's not attached to any particular email. Okay, now to access your cloud storage within your email account, you need to open the application menu. Now, these two examples here are from Gmail and Outlook. Now, if you go onto your Gmail account or Outlook account, you will see the little 9 dots on the top right hand corner with Gmail and the top left hand corner with Outlook. Now, if you click on those 9 dots there, it looks a little bit like a calculator, these menus will pop up. All right, now there are many features with these email applications. Okay, we've got Google Search, Google Maps, YouTube, Google Play, so on and so forth, and this is the one here we're looking at, and that is Google Drive. Looks a little bit like a triangle. All right, and when we're looking at Outlook, okay, same sort of thing. Okay, same sort of thing. So if you look down the menu there, you'll see OneDrive there, and all we do is click once on there, okay, and it will take you onto a separate tab into your cloud account. All right, okay, so once you tap on the icon, you will be taken to a separate web page, and from there you can start saving your data. As in data, I mean information, okay, or documents or photographs or whatever you want to save. Now, what will happen is you'll have something come up that looks a little bit similar to these. Okay, now on Outlook you'll have particular folders which you can fill if you wish, and you can also add folders. On Google Drive you don't get any folders to begin with, but you can create them. But you don't have to have folders, you can just save data directly into your cloud if you wish. Okay, so to save data you will need to tap on the new or upload icon. It will then give you some options. If you look here on OneDrive, it'll say upload on the top of the screen. Click that once and it'll give you an option to either save folders or files. And the same with Google Drive. If you go to new, it will actually give you an option to save folders, files, so on and so forth. Okay, so once you've done that, it will actually bring up, once you pick an option for your file explorer will appear on your PC. Your file explorer will appear. From here you can choose what you want to upload. Once your file explorer appears, you'll have to search your hard drive to look to see what you want to upload. Now, once you've found what you want to upload, you select it and you open it, and it will upload itself onto your cloud drive. Okay. Once you've uploaded your chosen file, you'll be able to access that file from any computer with an internet connection. Okay, the benefits of having a cloud account is it doesn't matter where you are, as long as you have an internet connection or a 4G or 3G connection or even 5G now connection, you'll be able to access your data using your smartphone, your tablet, your laptop, so on and so forth. Okay, so it is much more efficient when you go into your file explorer to use the quick access menu on the left hand side of the window. If you can see here, once you click on that upload file and folder, okay, on the left hand side of the window you'll find the folder you're looking for. So if you look here, you can see you've got documents, downloads, pictures. So for instance, if you wanted to upload some photographs to your cloud account, then you could go into your pictures there or wherever you've stored them and pick whatever you'd like to upload. Okay, so once you have selected that, what you would like to upload, you will then see it appear on your cloud account. And if you notice here, okay, I've got a picture of friends from my pictures there, and you can see friends here. All right, and you can see that just attaches itself onto the cloud accounts. Okay, now we can also create folders to organize your files. So what we do then is we go to the same place with Gmail, we go to new, and it offers to, if you go to folder at the top, it will create a new folder, and then you can actually name that folder. Okay, with OneDrive you go to new again, and it'll give you the option for folder, and it will give you the same option to name that folder. Okay, now you can have as many folders as you need to organize your files. So if you have a lot of photographs to store on your cloud, then you can actually separate them into days out or whatever you want to be doing. Also with documents, if you have particular documents, particular things, you can name those folders as you see fit. Okay, now if you notice here, I've actually named my folder My Holiday, and My Holiday on Google Drive there, and you can see that picture there. And all we do is we drag and we drop our picture into our folder, and then it will become part of that folder. Okay, so that's about it with the cloud for now. Now what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be moving on now to using the cloud on your smartphone. Now, as I said before, that Because you're saving things to your cloud, you can access it anywhere, and that includes using your smartphone. Now, this is particularly handy if you need to send a CV on the go. You're not always going to have your computer with you, so it's always a great idea to have your cloud account app on your smartphone, so you can access the same information on the go with your smartphone as you would if you're at home. Okay, now I hope that helps, and we shall move on to our next session next time. Thank you very much.